How to block someone on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Twitter. First thing we're gonna do is go to Twitter, and then let's find someone like this one, click on it, and then click here, these 3 points, and now just click this one, block, and then click here. And as you see, that's how to block someone on Twitter. Let's try to block another one like this one, and then click here, and now click block. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.